tired today.
But it's a different tired than yesterday.
Yes.
Yesterday I was miserable.
And you were hungover yesterday.
Yeah.
That's what it was like, one of those Benadryl hangovers.
Oh.
You took a little too much and it's in your system still. You can't function.
It was so bad.
Hey!
What are you doing?
I'm finna start my routine. What are you doing?
On our way to the venue.
No Starbucks here?
I don't know. Probably.
Okay, I've got an idea.
What is it?
A small refresher.
No. Are you that tired?
Baby, I'm scared.
Oh no. You need to brush that hair in the back of your head. There's one.
How far are you?
5 minutes.
Oh, okay, well, never mind. I'll shoot it.
Okay, bye, baby. What are we doing?
Without me?
Oh god. She's been getting an old trip.
4 or 5? Yeah, and then I was just down to 7. Copy.
I didn't win all the way.
What are you doing, baby?
I brought one jacket. It was this one, and I bought the leather jacket that I had on yesterday.
I got clothes.
Do you have a jacket I can steal? That's cute.
Let's go see.
Let's
Clothes
look.
in the wardrobe.
I need to zip that. I gotta let the puppies hang, baby.
Look, I don't know why I got this, just in case you wanted it for a photo shoot.
But do you have any merch here?
I don't know if we have hoodies here. You take a big jacket. You got hoodies over there?
No, it's alright. I'll just wear this. I'm sure it'll get hot in there anyways.
Don't do that to me.
I am gonna do that to you.
No.
Yeah.
All right, then I'm gonna go to the Malfi Coast.
Okay.
It's already been 2 weeks.
It has. Started in the world, babe.
It's all right.
Well, how did you break it?
You know, it's funny. I went to the brothel, and one of the girls was just really into it. And next thing I knew, I went, and then the bone was broken.
Cool story. How did you really do it?
Skateboarding, which feels just too obvious, so I'm trying to come up with better ones. Can you help me?
You and Josh just fucking.
No, Josh fell on a scooter.
Shit.
There's far
You're like
worse
falling on a
thing to do.
skateboard's way cooler.
At the very least, like I was doing some shit. He was just trying to go up a curb.
Right.
Fuck you, Josh.
Look to your left. Oh, I love that. That is so sweet. Is this from the venue? Yeah. That's fucking dope. It's rock and roll. I love that.
That is your outfit right now.
I know. Oh, yeah. I love that. That is sweet.
I'm nervous for a bus ride tonight.
Gooch broke his
fighting off my
hand.
style,
Yeah, I
dude.
know. I was like, you can't get no pop. We've already seen it.
Yeah, dude.
Like, that's an old news already.
This is my shit.
You can't get a.
Lord bless us through the night as we get traveled to Paris, and get ready for that show. Father God, we're gonna do that thing too, and we're lost. We're having fun.
You guys ready to go snuggle?
They're sorting the food. They got everything loaded up, everything else loaded on your van, like waters and your hoodie. But they're just sorting the food real quick and we'll get it to you.
It's a steep one.
Alright.
Alright.
Glad I put on some underpants. Not the kind of shoes you walk in. Just made to look cute while you're standing. Hi, Daddy. Hey, team.
Bonjour means what's up, right?
Yeah. Bonjour.
And then, okay. What's goodbye? No, it's not. You have me up there.
Bonjour.
DiGiorno's is a pizza.
Buongiorno.
Oh, okay. I thought you said DiGiorno's. I was like, that's a pizza.
Say it though, make everybody laugh. That'd be hilarious.
Yeah, see, DiGiorno.
Weirdest prayer circle ever.
Yeah, he said we were doing behind the scenes.
Okay, we'll do it behind the scenes. Let's go. Sorry. Protect the crew of the trucks, Post, and his crew, Lord. Thank you for the opportunity to do what we love for a living. Father God, we love you. Thank you for my wife and her team, Father God, and their time with us, Lord. I pray for their safety and their journey home.
Buddy, pretend you have a spur.
Take a jump this.
Left, left, right.
Gotta have shorts on with this.
That's fun. Let's do it again.
Trying to jump on.
You said
Trying to jump on his back when I have heels on. But in the shit that I was standing on,
like
like
soft. You want to get in first? Do you have the new pin from Shay? This one?
before we get there, let's start fixing my makeup and my hair because
Your makeup's actually...
it goes off at 11.
I can send it.
It's either 11 or 11:05.
Oh, the lights?
This it
Yeah,
only
I
happens
thought you meant your
once
makeup.
every hour on the hour.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that, you guys. How fucking cool is that?
Want to kiss under it? This is where we're going, so this is our backdrop.
Okay. Hold on.
10:46.
Fuck yeah. We're gonna get the sparkles, guys. Wait, that one's cute. There we go.
Okay, that's good. Catwalk. That's good. Catwalk. No, that's good.
Hold on, get up on her face.
That's
Move the light. Coming in.
No. God, I hate you all.
Scoot back a little bit. Okay, look at this. Tell me if you like it.
Oh, yeah, I love that one.
So cute, right?
That's perfect.
My nipples are getting cold.
Show the calves. There you go.
Don't flash on them.
Keep going, keep going.
This is natural. And the flash.
And it's the flash photography, which I love.
Oh, beautiful. Give me Tiger.
Yeah.
Give me Tiger. Oh, there we go. Give me your bear. Yeah, smooching for me.
Is that not so cool?
Soft light falls quiet. You own